Hi everyone. I just wanted to jump on quickly because I'm getting ready to go out today and I thought I would film my everyday makeup look. Now I posted about this on Instagram the other day where I said I can do my makeup for just everyday, like work, school run, that kind of thing, in 10 minutes or less. And I had a couple of people ask me for a tutorial. So I thought since I'm getting ready to go out today, I may as well film it and see how we go. I am going to time myself. Hopefully I won't go over the 10 minutes, but because I'll be stopping and explaining different things, then it may just go over by a few seconds, but I'm sure you guys will show me a bit of grace. This is my everyday makeup look. It is super fast, super quick, super easy. It's a daytime smoky eye that has a nude lip. It works for me. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm excited. Okay, so before I start, there are a couple of things we need to remember when it comes to this look, and that is organisation. You've got to have everything laid out, ready to go. You don't want to be going through drawers and bags and looking for products when that cuts into your getting ready time. So for this look, we just want to have it all out on our counter, ready to go. The second thing is to go for a look you know works for you. There is no point in trying a winged eyeliner or a new look that you've not done before and expecting to do it in under 10 minutes because it's highly likely that's going to take longer. So for me, this look is my go-to. I do it every day. It's super simple, super easy, and yeah, I'm ready to get started. So first things first, I have cleansed and washed my face, and now I'm going to put on my primer. Okay, so with my primer, I choose a matte finish primer because that is what works best for my skin. I have oily skin. I also have very red skin as well. So I find that the mattifying properties just help to diffuse any redness I have in my skin. It also helps to fill in any pores or just diffuse the look of some fine lines that I'm getting as I get older, and it also helps my makeup to stay on all day. Next, I put on my foundation. Now I apply it to my damp beauty sponge and I just go all over. Again, this is a matte finish foundation because of my oily skin. It just stays on all day. I don't need to powder over the top, which is a bonus, and it gives me great coverage. As I said before, I do have that oily skin, so I like something that sets my makeup but also gives me coverage to cover up my redness. And just take it down your neck because nobody wants that neckline. Okay. Next, it's concealer. Again, this is a concealer that is long wearing. I don't need to powder it afterwards. I take it down the bridge of my nose and onto my lip. Concealer is designed to conceal any imperfections on the skin, but you can also use it to brighten under your eyes as well, or any areas that you feel like you need brightening. I never used to use concealer, but as I get older, I found I need concealer a lot more, particularly as a mum who quite often gets interrupted in the middle of the night. So I just take that under my eyes in a triangle down the front of my cheeks, up my nose, onto my forehead, down my chin a bit. And as I said, I don't need to powder that because it's a 24-hour long-lasting finish. Next, it's my highlighter. I take it up the bridge of my nose, onto my lips. I also put it on the inner corners of my eyes, just to brighten up the inner corners. It makes you look less tired. And then I put it onto the tops of my cheekbones and across and onto my cheek. Just gives you a really nice glowy look. Even though I like my makeup to be a matte finish as far as my skincare and thing goes, it's nice to have a bit of a glow to the skin, especially as you get older. That's really important to kind of keep it looking fresh and dewy. Next, it's bronzer. I take it just under my cheekbones, on top of my cheekbone. I take it up into my hairline and then down my jaw, just in a 3. And again this side, into my hairline and down my jaw. And then I also take it down onto my neck. Because I fake tan, it's nice to sort of blend everything in. So it just gives me just a bit of colour and warmth. Next, it's blush. I'm not somebody who can wear bronzer and no blush because I look sick. So I just need a little bit of colour on my cheeks, and I put them on the apples of my cheeks and just take it on top of my cheekbone. It's all about blending and creating that nice fresh flush of colour to the skin. Next, it's my eyes. I take my Dome eyeshadow brush and I just windscreen wipe across my eyelid. Again, no harsh lines, we just want to keep it nice and simple. Other side. Windscreen wipe across the lid. It opens up the eyes, gives them a bit of colour. Then I grab a bigger Dome brush and I do underneath my eyes, because with this look I'm not applying eyeliner for the sake of time, but I still want some contouring and shadow underneath my eyes. So I'm not precise about it, I just really like to blend it in and just kind of smudge it in. I like the look of the unstructured makeup as opposed to having everything look perfect all the time, because I just feel like that works better. Very on trend to have a smoky eye and nude lip as well, and it really does work for everyone. Then I just blend it out again with my fluffy brush. You can see how that's worked. Next, it's brows. As you get older, it's so important to do your eyebrows. They frame your face. I just need my mirror. They frame your face and they create a really youthful look to the eye area. They open up your eyes. They're never going to be identical. Eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins, but they're like curtains on a window. A window doesn't look finished until it's got curtains up on it. It's the same with your brows and your eyes. Your eyes don't look finished until you filled in your brows. So you can see the difference that makes. And just brush that in. Next, it is mascara. With mascara, I just wiggle it from the bottom of my lashes all the way up to the top. Just get them all covered. Same with the other side. Just cover them all and then the bottoms. I'm a big mascara fan. I like the look of big lashes, but who has time to be doing that in the morning and applying their false lashes? Not me. Now it comes to lips. This is just very quick and simple lip liner. A bit of gloss. And stop. That's it. That's my 10-minute and under makeup look. Normally, if I've got time and I'm not sort of rushing around, I will curl my eyelashes and then do a second coat of mascara. But if I don't have time, this is fine. This is nice and polished. It's good to go. Sometimes, again, if I've got time, I'll add some eyeliner in my waterlines to kind of make it a bit more smoky. But again, if I don't have time, this is completely fine. Now, when it comes to curling my eyelashes, I always apply a coat of mascara first and then curl my eyelashes and then apply a second coat. I feel like doing that allows the mascara that's already there is a bit like a texturizing dry shampoo for your hair. It kind of holds the shape better with the lift. So, and then they stay lifted all day. So that's my little tip and trick. So I'm going to do that now because I'm going out and I have time and I don't need to rush. I just grab my eyelashes and put them into my curler and I squeeze a few times. Just for a few seconds. Sometimes I will go and heat up my eyelash curler with my hairdryer. I can do that too. But you can just see the difference between the two. This one's much more open and lifted than this one. So we'll just do the second one. Just squeeze it for a little bit. And then let it go. You can just see the difference. It just makes, curling your eyelashes just makes your eyes look so much more awake and wider and brighter and happy lashes. So I will just do a second coat of mascara. That's it. That is my everyday makeup look in 10 minutes and under. As you can see, it really doesn't take very long. It is about organisation, but it's also about knowing products that work best for you. And the only way you're going to know that is by having a bit of a play around. On a day where you're not going anywhere, sit down with different makeups, different colours, and just try a few different looks out, and then you'll soon be able to find a look that you can do in 10 minutes and under, just like I have. It was so much fun filming this today, and I'm super glad that with explaining I still did it in under 10 minutes. That's a win for me. Have a great rest of the day. If you've got any comments or questions or anything like that that you want to know about products I use, questions about why I place different colours where I place them, please feel free just to DM me and let me know, and I'll do my best to answer those questions. Anyway, have a great day. Mwah.